All right, my man. I'm going to let you guys have one more for fun, and then we're going to call it a night.
Let's do it. So this is the title track off of our new album. This one is called How Hard Could It Be?
I'm gonna have some more. That's the way it goes. I have lost a house to fire. I've been a gun up there for hire on the East Coast. Now I'm out here living in the West, trying to push myself up there to be the best that I can be. How hard could it be? I mean, honestly. Time in the Hampton Roads in Virginia. I was 21 years old, a long time ago. 3 years before I made it home, a lot of time to go but nothing new to show that I wasn't broke. And now I'm out here living up there to be the best that I can be. How hard could it be? I mean, honestly. It's been a hell of a year. I'm thinking it's the start of it all. Safe to say I'm probably not wrong. It gets worse before we're in the clear. Back in again. Living in the West, trying to push myself up there to be the best that I can be. How hard could it be? I mean, honestly. How hard could it be? I mean, honestly.
Thank y'all.
That's the money right there. From Ain't From Here, that is right in here. Thank you very much, gentlemen. And I tell you, that's going to do it. That's going to be the one. So I hope this gets you booked on, I don't know, like John Denver's Christmas album next year or whatever you guys are going for.
Willie Nelson's 90th birthday, I think, is what
Yeah,
we're going for.
it was great to have you guys in here. And
for
I
having
think
us.
I think it's time to say good night. And why don't you guys say good night to all your crowd out there?
We ain't from
night,
here,
y'all.
folks. We'll see you next time.
All right, it's the truth, and we are out.